Hello everyone, I just updated the Bricks builder to the latest 198 and looks like new feature arrived, variable manager. I didn't know they were making this at all actually. I mean, I'm not big fan of like creating lots of variable library, but I think this might come handy. This is how, let me show you. I might use this feature actually. And let's create a test page. Edit with bricks. And there are other changes too. For example, this spacing design a little bit changed. I think it is related to these variables too. And almost everywhere we can select a size or space. We have variables now. It is a really big update actually, like really big update. And when we click classes, now classes and variables, we can create new variables here. The idea is just write a name, Sinan space 1, and give it a value. Let's make it 100 pixel and save it. That's it. Now this variable is a global variable. For example, if I go to the padding, let's lock it. Boom. Now I have 100 pixel. Let me add something inside. Okay. Now I have 100 pixel spacing all sides. And it is really useful actually, because imagine using like making multiple sections like that, and each section has its own design, something. Yeah, all of them is different a little bit. You just need to go back to the variables and select it. Let's make it 20 pixel. Yeah, save it. That's it, easy. And oh, we don't even need to like refresh the page, it just instant like that. I love it. Let's make font size. Yeah, let's make variable font size. Font 1. And let's make it 20 pixel. Okay. Yeah, I like pixel. I know. I still love it. Why not? And still browsers are using pixels anyway. So let's give this to, yeah, very here too. Like every place has numbers, like practically. Looks like we can use that. Why not fonts? Okay, it's fine. We can make like global fonts anyway. That's not a big deal. We can make it with classes and stuff. Let's give it space 20 pics. But I want to select my other. Oh, sorry. Font. I didn't save it, didn't I? Okay, now I saved it. Does enter work? Sinan test one, blah blah blah, enter. Ah, come on, enter doesn't work. Dang it. Yeah, enter doesn't work. Okay, that will be my first feedback for this feature. I think the enter should work. What do you guys think? Write a comment. What do you guys think? Okay, we just selected variables for multiple sections, and we just need to make one change if you want to change it. Like, let's make it 10 pixel, save it, boom. Now it is a 10 pixel. Oh, too small. Let's make it bigger, boom. Great. Of course, control that. Yeah, control. Yeah, I need to get used to this. It is so far away, like I can't click it with my one hand, and that's why it is annoying, because I usually I mean, my right hand always on the mouse, of course. Yeah, I have to use my both hands to collect it because the touch is so away. Anyway, I like this feature. I like this feature. What can we do else? Can we change? No, but we can create new categories, colors, spacings. Oh, that's great. Okay, now I can see why this will be really really nice. Personally, personally, I don't like creating lots of classes, guys. But variables, that works. Yeah, I love that. Because when you have like font sizes, let's make it semantic. Heading, big headings. Okay, let's make it big headings. Let's say actually let's be, yeah, 50 pixel. Okay, let's make medium headings. Okay, let's make that 30 pixel. See, when you make it semantic like that, small text, medium, yeah, small texts, yeah, why not? Let's make it 16 pixel. See, so when you make the library semantic like that, I mean, yes, you can do the same thing for classes, I know, but I like variables. It is simple because when you use classes, um, all of the features comes with it. I don't want that. I usually don't want that. Like that's that's rarely you need it. Rarely you need all the values. But when it comes to variables, just like font size, just like spacing, that's much better. You just need to change the variable, change the font size or change the spacing only. I think this will be much more useful than classes. That's why it is a big deal. I love it. How do we change the categories? Mm. Oh, so I can change it later? No? Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, nice. Oh, I can change the order? No way. No way. Ah, so nice. I love it. Okay, let's put this on font. Let's put the fonts on the fonts. Let's put the spacing on the spacing. So nice. And of course, we can see all of them with Alt tab, but we can, when you have like 10, 50, 100, this will be very useful, of course, when you have a big site and lots of sections. Oh, so nice. I love it. I love it. It's a nice feature. It's a nice feature. Okay, so we can search variables, we can sort variables, we can filter, use it on page, use it, unuse it on this page. Yeah, this will be useful when you have so many, but even with just categories, it will be enough. I don't think most of the time you don't need these searches. Like you need to have like hundreds of variables or something for you to not see. Because, yeah, let me testing something. I want to see how many can fit in this window. Of course, this will change uh, depending on the monitor size too. But again, variable. Yo. Oh, okay, sorry. The variable name has to be different, of course. I know, it's ugly. Doesn't matter. I just want to see how many will fit. That's the fastest way I can think. Because the font size looks like 12, 14. 12, yeah. The font size really small. So you can fit a lot of variables on this window. Great. I think this will not fit, or yeah, it will start. After that, it will start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, let's delete the last one. Actually, we can see the number. We don't need to count it. Okay, we can see 16 variable in this window. Nice. Okay, okay. And this will be the like all the variables for most cases, most websites. Yeah. Even with like I make big websites all the time, and for big clients they have like 50 pages, 100 pages, something like that. Even for them, like 10 or 20 variable is enough for most cases. Nice, nice, nice. I like it. I like it. What else there is? So of course this new design is nice. I like it. Style tab, breakpoint settings indicator. Style tab. Oh, when you have a change on some of the breakpoints, that's what that means. Let's test it. Let's give it 10. Yeah. Okay, good. So that means, see, it is saying gray when I click. Yeah. Let's remove that. Yeah. It is showing. What? Oh, okay. Font size. Okay, of course, of course. Okay. Oh, it changes tab to tab. Interesting. But, okay. Because on the sub breakpoint, let's give this 10 here. Go down. Okay, it doesn't show. Okay, so good. So it is showing, let's say I added smallest mobile size breakpoint. So it will show that notification all the time. Let's remove that. Oh no. But it is showing here. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Is there a bug? What do you guys think? No, I don't think there is. No. So if I click this and this notification goes away. Yep. Okay, good. It works. Good. It works. Because when I click this, it is saying, yo, you have a value in the tablet view. That's what this notification means. Good. Yeah, it is useful. Great. Sometimes I forget I add a value, one of the breakpoints, and it's hard to find. It makes you lose time. Like, where is that spacing coming from? Where is that spacing coming from? You are searching like that, like crazy. So it is really useful for those cases. Great. I love it. I love it. Great breakpoint change. I love it. Duplicate pages, templates. Oh, do you have an existing page built with Breakpoint cursor mark? You can now, okay, duplicate link or inside the builder under the pages panel. Under the pages. I mean, we already had like copy all button. We can copy the all page. Okay, so this already useful for copying all the design. Copy breakpoint. Interesting. Just checked it. Please use this new built-in duplicator instead of third-party solutions. Oh, nice. Nice warning. Yeah, I hate those plugins. Anyway, honestly, like that's why I use this copy button all the time. I don't like using those plugins anyway. I'm just wondering where is that like pages? Oh, this page here. Okay. So, okay, I was looking here like I got confused a little bit. Okay, so I can. Oh, so inside the good. Look at that, all the tests. So I can copy the duplicate the any page I want. Nice. Right now I am editing this. Save it. Let's see. And I click that. Yeah, it will go there. Boom. And if I duplicate this, good. It adds a copy on the title. Good. Good. Great. Great. Oh my god, this feature is great. But it is almost same like copying from here, honestly, because you have to open the editor once anyway. Yeah, you have to open the editor once anyway, so it comes down to same workflow almost. Yeah, but still, I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you for thinking us. Thank you. Good. And another big feature for me, for most people will not use this probably, but we can use dynamic data inside the code. Now, that means we can make like advanced VP query. Okay, we can make write with AI or something. Even you don't know this. I mean, I'm used to, but even if you are not used to, you can make the AI write your advanced query, and you can run that inside this code block. I use it like time to time, not always, but time to time. So with that, now you have dynamic tags with it. Like you can assign as a variable. I mean, in practice, dynamic tags are just variables. That's it. Like they are wrappers. They are just returning whatever the PHP returns, just variable. Good. This will be useful. Yeah, this will be useful. Look at that. Just echo. Nice. Like we are going. Look at that. We are going like the tweak. Blade tweak. Look at that. Let me show you something. Yeah. We are going on that path. I think Thomas loves Laravel or something. I don't know. I don't know which PHP frameworks he loves. I don't know. We should ask him because like he's going on that path. Like this builder becoming like a very strong framework, guys. Nice. I love it. Advanced stuff, very useful. Very useful for edge cases. Okay, anything else? Startup, post log, dynamic data, new tag. Good. This will be useful. Good. CSS variables, man. Love it. Code element, new settings, press error, new error message. Date format, filter, date picker, new date format to get correct min max date. Oh, I literally today I had a problem for this and I fixed it with CSS. This was the form display date picker. I disabled the Sundays because the restaurant is not opening on the Sundays and they don't want to work. People select the Sundays from the form, so I disabled it with the CSS. Nice. And it is already here. Good. Okay, nice features. Nice new features. I think I didn't miss anything. I showed all the biggest ones. I mean, small features. There are lots of small features, but I showed the most important ones. Nice. If you guys have any idea, any comment, please do comment. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video.